Hello, I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew.
And we are the Crafty Lumberjacks. If you know us, you know we love to decorate over-the-top and epic Halloween trees.
Yes.
And this year we partner with Treetopia to create our first ever Easter tree.
Oh my gosh. Now, Treetopia is all about going over the top and thinking outside of the box, and that's exactly what we're doing. We're gonna be making a tree that's out of this world.
Let's get crafty.
Yes.
We're gonna start with our alien spaceship. For this, you'll need some basic craft supplies, a jumbo-sized Easter egg and 2 smaller eggs, Easter grass, and adhesive craft foam.
Start with the top half of your jumbo Easter egg and rip off a piece of tape and lay it across the center of the top and press it down really firmly. Add a light coat of metallic paint. You really don't need a lot of paint for this. A light coat will do just fine. And while it's still wet, shake on some glitter. You really want it nice and coated. Tap off that extra glitter, and while it's still wet, rip off that painter's tape nice and slow and set it aside to dry. Now for the control panel. Start by tracing the bottom half of the jumbo size egg and the alien egg on a piece of craft foam. Cut it out, and check that it fits snugly into the egg. Cut out where the alien will sit, and check that that fits as well. And then it's time to embellish with some extra craft foam pieces. Place your alien egg into the control panel and secure with a dab of hot glue.
Grab a piece of black foam and cut out 2 almond shapes for the eyes. Make sure they're the same size. Peel off the adhesive backing and place on the egg. Now for the outside. Cut out 2 fins for the spaceship out of the silver craft foam. This will take it over the top and give it that retro vibe. Hot glue 1 fin on the top of the egg. And the other on the bottom.
Take apart your small egg and glue it to the back of your ship. Wrap a thin piece of silver craft foam to hide your glue for a cleaner look. Grab some Easter grass, fold it in half, and then fold it in half again. Secure the end with a little bit of craft foam. Take a pair of scissors and then cut the loops on the other side and trim, and then hot glue it right into the egg.
Complete your spaceship by adding 1 last embellishment to the fins.
To hang, tape a piece of wire to the back and smother with a lot of hot glue to keep it nice and secure.
Now for our aliens with bunny ears. For this you'll need a plastic egg, pipe cleaners, craft foam, basic craft materials, and a wire cutter. Start by cutting 2 almond-shaped eyes and sticking them in place.
Bend, manipulate, and shape the silver pipe cleaner into a bunny ear headband. Use the wire cutters to trim to size. Cut 2 pieces of the purple pipe cleaner the size of the ears for a pop of color. Hot glue in place.
To hang, thread a piece of wire through the top holes of the Easter egg.
We love how it
turned
turned
out.
out. We like it so much.
Yes, it's not your traditional take on Easter.
No, but somehow with the pink tree and the metallic Easter eggs, it all works, and
Yes.
it's totally extra. Extraterrestrial!
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!